I'm Erin. I work at GB Fox Nature Center, and I'm here giving a nature tour. This right here is a spice bush. It's really cool because when you crush up the leaves, it smells like spice. Like obviously you guys can't smell, but it smells like lemony and spicy.
Why does it smell like that? Do you know?
I don't know. I have no clue. We'll find out. I'll show you guys the walnut.
That's cool.
Okay, this is a walnut tree. They like drop these big walnuts everywhere. And the animals eat them and then poop out the seeds. And that's how they spread around. Oh, I wonder if we can open it. Ew.
Why is it black on the inside?
I don't know, it's gross. It's like a fruit. Oh, it has worms in it.
Ew.
Look at it!